Hey dudes, what I really want to talk about right now is the workout cardio section. Strength and cardio. We need to work on strength and we need to work on cardio. Cardio obviously burns fat. The more muscle you have, the more your metabolism goes up, the more fat you'll burn. That's why I think all these bodybuilders can eat thousands of calories and us fat people can't, because we don't have the muscle to turn on our metabolism. 1 day a week, doesn't matter which day you want, you pick it. You're going to do push-ups and body squats. Unless you can already do them, I'm going to talk about that later, that's more advanced. But right now, push-ups, body squats. The goal is to get to 50 straight of each. Even if you can do body squats, which I think, in my opinion, for me, it'll be easier than doing 50 push-ups, 50 push-ups, 50 body squats straight. If you want to break them up and do 10, 10, 10, 10, you can do that, but our goal is to get to 50 straight. If you can only do one on the first day, do one. If you can do one full push-up, one full body squat, start with one. Next week, do two. Next week, do three if you can, or two and one assisted. Any way you can get to 50 straight. We're not trying to do this in a week. We're trying to get in better shape. If you can't do a push-up on your knees, if you can't do it on your knees, lean over on the couch maybe. If even that is too hard, put some weight against your arms on the wall, go down, come back up, push that way. If you can't do a body squat, which is going all the way until your thighs are parallel with the ground, then sit in a chair and get up. Anything to just get moving to get your 50. Once you feel like you can do one by yourself, start doing one. One, then the next week, two, then the next week, you'll end up doing 5 or 6. Hopefully you're losing weight so we can do more and more and more. And it's not just going to be one for this week, two for this week. Even if you do one a week for 52 weeks and at the end of this year, you're at 50 body squats, that's way better than you did in the beginning. We have to look at progress and we have to really not care what other people can do. That's the biggest thing, is who cares what I can do? It's all about you. So after you get to 50 body squats, then we'll go more advanced. I'll talk about that later. Cardio. Cardio is 16 minutes, 3 16-minute days. If you want to do cardio on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can do it. If you want to do cardio on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you can do that. It's up to you whenever you want to do cardio. That cardio must be measured. When I'm saying measured, if I just want to punch because I can't do anything else, okay, hold on, I want to back up. I seen this guy, he was on MyFitPal, he was huge. He couldn't move. He started with wiggling.
A member told me that I could just flop around. It seemed so silly to me that it seemed like it would be the perfect workout for me to do. And so I just turned my webcam on and immediately started, just flopping my upper body.
Wiggling. Now, I know wiggling will get you, but we really can't measure our wiggles. But if we're punching, and we want to do that for 16 minutes, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, if you can just move your feet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, do it for 16 minutes. Say I can only move my arms like this 20 times in 16 minutes. The next day or the next 2 days or the next 3 days, I'm going to try to move my arms 1 to 2 times more. That's all I'm doing. If I'm moving my legs like this, I want to move my legs 1 to 2 times more. If you want to run a mile in 16 minutes, you have to run a little bit more. And hopefully you get up to 2 miles and 3 miles and 4 miles and 5 miles in 16 minutes. We're just moving. We have to calculate what we're doing. So if you just are taking steps and you're counting your steps, I recommend get a clicker. I use the recumbent bike. So I think it's called a recumbent bike. It's the one with a fan and where your arms move. I just try to get a little bit further every day. 1 mile the first day, 1.01 the next day, 1.02 the next day, where you're just getting a little bit further. Eventually, you're gonna be moving. You're gonna be huffing and puffing. The first 30 days, I don't think we're doing very much, or if you are, get to it. You're tracking your calories and you're tracking your cardio. Remember, it's weightlifting 1 day a week, cardio 3 days a week. And if you wanna do it the last 4 days of the week to give yourself a rest, or you wanna break it up, just do it. So say I do my weightlifting Monday. Tuesday, I feel pretty good. I get on my recumbent bike and I ride it for a mile. Wednesday, I go to ride my bike and I just don't feel good. I don't feel like it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait a day and I'm gonna do it that next day. and I'm gonna write it, but I have to write my stuff down just to make sure I'm doing it. So it doesn't matter when you get those 4 days done. Strength for 1 day, cardio for 16 minutes for 16, 16, 16. So it's what, 48 minutes? Just get that done. And if you have any questions, put them below, and I'll see you in the next video.